All right, guys. Thank you so much for joining us. Mag-start tayo ngayon. We're gonna talk about paano yung makapal na kitaan sa Yoli. So we're gonna discuss about the compensation plan. So anyway, thank you for joining us. No, Louis for inviting your team, and also for Doc Weng for joining us. So si Doc Weng is nasa Manila siya, no, sa may Quezon City. He's a practicing OB gynecologist. Tapos yung husband niya si Gudo, also a doctor, neurologist ng Philippine General Hospital yung husband niya. So guys, we're gonna talk about the compensation plan today, para makita natin yung business side ng Yoli and how Yoli will pay us out. So pare-pare yung comp plan natin, US, Canada, and Philippines. Magkaiba lang sa conversion ng natin ng monetary kasi peso at dollar, okay? So now, I'm excited to share to you guys, and we've been working on this one. Ito yung pinakamalaking wave na papasok ngayon sa Pilipinas. Even here in the US, nag-uumpisa na kami dito, no? Few months ago, we introduced yung test, don't guess with the Omega. So, I've been in this profession for 20 years. Never ko nakita yung opportunity na magkakaroon tayo ng blood testing, para matest yung dugo mo kung deficient ka ba sa ganitong nutrients, and we can offer that, which is a good concept talaga, no? Na pagsama natin yung science, and diagnostic, but more on the preventive side. So guys, this is the one that we're gonna introduce. Actually, available na ang test kit sa Pilipinas ngayon. We're just waiting for the FDA approval ng product natin na Vital Omega. So next month, yung update namin, they will release this one, the FDA, kasi we're not marketing any product na hindi dumaan sa approval ng FDA or whatnot. So guys, there are 4 things na gagawin natin dito sa business ng Yoli, and just like anything in network marketing, so number 1, we're gonna go into selling, which is more on focusing on customers, which is good. You sell because if nobody's selling, walang bumibenta ng product, wala tayong commission. Because legit yung company natin, we can only make money if there's a product to be sold. So kung ano ba yung pinaka-definition ng network marketing, kung isipin natin, a lot of people have a wrong connotation ng network marketing because hindi nila maintindihan. So ang basic definition ng network marketing is it's a new distribution model siya. It's a distribution model of products towards a network of like an organization of customers and distributors also. So yun lang yung pinaka-basic niya, distribution siya. Kasi pwede naman silang mag-direct ng distribution through online, or they can do a distribution through yung mga traditional na mga warehouses or mga tindahan like sa mall, ganun. But they decided to distribute it through a network of direct-to-the-consumer customers and with the help of the distributors or brand partners. Okay, so again, another one that we gagawin natin para ma-fill up natin yung comp plan is to recruit people na tutulong sa atin na to get customers. So the customer is the pinaka mortar ng or semento ng business natin, yung customer. Pag wala tayong customer, mahirapan tayo. And majority of the company, kung recruit ka lang ng recruit, wala kang customer, hindi stable yung organization mo. Kasi hindi lahat ng tao are interested on the business, right? So we need to create a balance of customers and recruiting. And of course, the third one is developing a team. Kasi kung meron ka ng team, that's where you can leverage. Nandun yung leverage natin sa team. So, kumbaga, parang mini franchisee ka na. Kung meron ka ng extension ng franchise ng team mo at marami silang customers, meron kang override commission doon sa mga customers and distributor ng team na yon. And of course, to take yourself to the highest level, dapat ma-develop mo yung mga tao mo as a leaders kasi tatakbo na yan sila, even without you. So that's one of the a simple explanation ng trajectory ng network marketing. Selling, getting customers, recruiting, getting distributors, developing a team, and then developing leaders. All right, so ngayon guys, ang comp plan ng Yoli is dual. So what we did, in-spread namin ng 3 category yung comp plan para yung mga tao na hindi magbi-build ng team, they can still have a way to make money. And then yung mga nagdi-develop ng team, they can make money. And also meron tayong mga legacy, yung mga tao na they wanna take it to the highest level, na gusto nilang yung pang-retirement income and whatnot, to replace their full-time income and whatnot. So, meron tayong enroller, phase, builder, tsaka yung legacy. And we will discuss each of these comp plan. No? So, again, we have 14 ways to make money. Pag-uusapan natin yung first order bonus, or sometimes we call it fast start bonus. They enroll 2, free to you. If you enroll 2 customers or 2 distributor, libre na yung product mo. And then meron tayong subscribe and save rewards that you can get, points from just subscribing. Pag nagsusubscribe ka, nag-earn ka ng points, yung points mo pwede mong gamitin pambili ng product. And then one of the amazing kinreate namin na comp plan is itong customer loyalty bonus. Okay, and then we're gonna discuss also the monthly performance bonus funded by Amazon sales. And also retail. Ang retail, hindi siya applicable sa Pilipinas. Pero kung meron kayong ma-recruit ng mga tao sa US and Canada na gusto lang bumili ng retail, then you can make profit. So imagine guys, enroller phase lang to. 6 na compensation plan. Kahit na hindi ka mag-build ng team. Customer lang ang kunin mo. You can be compensated in 6 ways dito. Which is good, right? And then sa builder phase, ito na yung pag nag-build ka ng team mo. Na meron tayong mga one-time rank advancement bonus. Now we're gonna talk about that, starting from a star, silver, and gold. And then of course, meron tayong lifestyle bonus, yung mga nag-rank up na ng platinum. Pwede kang kumita ng $500 every month, or as a ruby, $1,000, and this one is paid monthly. Then of course, yung binary team commission natin, na yung cut-off natin, I think is 25,000 paid weekly. And then meron tayong unilevel executive matching bonus. Kung nag-net network na kayo guys, alam nyo to. As your team make money, meron kayong override dun sa mga team ninyo na kumikita ng pera sa binary nila. Kaya tulungan natin silang kumita. Kasi pag hindi sila kumita, wala tayong override commission sa unilevel. Okay? Yeah, incentive trip. And then sa legacy phase naman, katulad ko, part na ako ng quarterly leadership global pool bonus ko. Ano yung kinita ng company for the whole year sa different market, US, Canada, Philippines, iniipon nila yan, and then they set aside a certain percentage na paghahatian ng mga leaders na qualified. If you hit a diamond level and above, kasama ka dun sa hatian, parang profit sharing siya. Okay? And then meron tayong mga incentive trip na may mga general incentive trip for everybody to participate. Meron din tayong incentive trip na exclusively lang sa mga diamond, blue, and black diamond. And then pag na max out mo yung comp plan mo sa binary, you can create a new business center. Alright, so let's talk about this one. So ngayon guys, just a heads up sa inyo, if the moment that you enroll yourself, especially dito sa Pilipinas, meron tayong mga certain requirements. Of course, na pinaka-basic yung at least legal age ka, 18 years old and and above. Okay, and then you need to submit yung tawag nito, yung TIN card ninyo. Picturean nyo lang yun siya and then you can email it. TIN card nyo kasi hindi ka pwedeng mag-business dito na wala tayong tax ID number kasi ita-charge tayo ng magwi-withheld kasi ng tax si Bongbong Marcos, kailangan magbayad tayo ng taxes diyan. Picturean niyo, i-email nyo. And then on top of that, any government ID pwede, at least isa lang. Pwedeng passport, pwedeng driver's license, or any government ID. So all you need to do to complete, kasi makakatanggap kayo ng email guys pag na-enroll na kayo, i-email nyo lang sa csphil@yoli.com, and you can CC also yung compliance@yoli.com. Yung compliance, sila yung magtitingin sa mga requirements natin para makumpleto, and then you can set up your direct deposits and you're good to go. Alright, so ngayon guys, pagdating naman sa natin sa cut-off, okay? Yung sales natin is weekly tayo. So sa US guys, mag-uumpisa kami ng 12:01 AM ng Sabado hanggang Friday midnight. This is Utah time. Mountain Standard Time sa Utah kasi yun ang headquarters natin. Ngayon, sa Pilipinas, so just pay attention sa Pilipinas, umpisa yan 2:00 ng hapon, 2:01. Okay, matatapos ng the next Saturday at 2 PM Manila time. Okay, Saturday sa Saturday tayo weekly. Kung ano yung ma-produce mo within that week, you get paid commission the following week. Okay, so yan lang yung para hindi tayo malito. Like example ngayon is, sa inyo Thursday na, cut off niyo Sabado. Okay, alright, so next natin, I will discuss the one later on, para hindi kayo malito itong weekly color calendar. And maybe pagpunta mo sa Luis, corporate, they will explain it to you. So I won't put a lot of time dito para kasi hindi pa naman kayo in sa Yoli talaga. So wag muna natin pag-usapan tong color week calendar. So ngayon, how you can qualify sa commission sa Yoli? Unang-una guys, you need to be active. So there are two things na kailangan natin maintindihan, yung active member saka qualified member. So yung member, yun yung tinatawag natin na brand partner, yung nagbi-business. Okay? Member ang tawag natin diyan or brand partner right now. Okay? So ngayon, pag active member ka or active brand partner ka, dapat mayroon kang personal volume, yung PB mo. So you purchase a personal volume minimum ng 50 kasi each of our product may mga attached na volume yun yung CV. PB means personal volume. So every 4 weeks kasi 4 weeks tayo. Kaya meron tayong subscribe and save na nagki-kick in. So ang maganda sa personal volume ng Yoli guys, kasama yung pati yung personal customer mo sa volume mo. Okay, so halimbawa ang personal volume mo is 50. Tapos may dalawa kang customer, nag 50-50. So yung total personal volume is 150. Okay? So that's the thing, no? Kasama yung mga subscribe and save nila. Pag nag-kick in naman to next month, meron ka na naman subscribe and save. So that's a customer. So kahit na ang maximum na personal volume natin is 200. And sabihin mo, Chris, 50 lang yung volume ko personal. Pero meron akong 150 na customer volume na personal ko. Okay din yun, magiging 200 yung personal volume mo. That's one of the things that I like about the comp plan. Pero hindi sa requirements, guys. Hindi sa requirements na para mag-commission ka, kailangan mo ng customer. Ito yung maganda sa Yoli, hindi siya required. You know, but we will encourage you to have customers kasi nga para mas healthy yung organization natin. Now, pagdating sa qualified member, guys, o qualified brand partner, para mabayaran kayo ng binary team commission mo, dapat meron kang isang active na brand partner or member sa left mo as isang active sa right mo. At alam mo na paano yung active. May minimum sila ng 50. Okay? To stay that. Ngayon, direct mo dapat yan. You know, hindi kasama yung spillover sa'yo. So, dapat may direct ka na active mo sa left and right na bumili ng 50 volume within that period ng 28 days or 4 weeks. Okay, para magbayaran ka doon. So, ngayon, ang pinaka-suggestion ko, kasi magbibuild tayo ng team, minimum sa atin guys is 100 personal volume, and I will explain later kasi pag hindi ka 100 personal volume mo, which is including your customers, hindi ka mababayaran doon sa mga rank advancement mo sa Yoli. Pag 50 ka lang, future star lang ang tawag sa'yo. Kahit na malaki na yung income mo guys, you will not go, may makakap ka doon sa income mo. Kaya dapat may 100 personal volume ka, which is kasama nga yung customer mo. So ngayon, ang isang sinasuggest ko sa mga member, kahit na may customer ka, you need to set up your subscribe and save as 100 personal volume. Bakit ka mo? Kasi may mga time guys na wala kang customer or yung customer mo hindi nag-order, tapos yung volume mo mababa o hindi umabot ng 100, hindi ka nababayaran. Sayang, nagpa-plus out yung volume mo. Ngayon, para panigurado sa sarili mo, you know, i-set up mo yung 100 volume mo. You know, my customer ka wala, okay ka. Okay, but just your strategy is binibigyan ko lang kayo ng idea, but definitely kung masipag kang magkumuha ng customer, you don't have to worry yung personal volume mo kasi yung customer mo is your also personal volume. All right, so next, let's talk about the first order bonus. So simple yung comp plan natin guys. Ginawa nating simple. Pag sinabing first order, unang order. Okay, irregardless kung customer man yung nag-order na ikaw yung nag-sponsor. First order is direct mo. Pag ikaw yung nag-direct nag-sponsor ng customer o ng member, unang-unang order nila, babayaran ka ng company. Maliit yung order nila, basta first order, bayaran ka niyan. Yung second order nila, hindi nakasama sa first order yan kasi succeeding order na yan. Alright, so let me just play this quick video. No, I don't think may video tayo. But anyway, this is the example ng first order bonus natin. It will pay 50% of the CB o commissionable volume of the initial na pinlace ng customer and member na which is directly, you know, sponsored by you. So example, you know, nag-enroll ka ng tao, ang binili niya 100 personal volume. So may 50% ka as the sponsor, which is $50 yan. So you turn in dollar, and then sa pesos yan is 2,400. So just to make note guys, yung US to peso natin as a dollar, ang conversion is 48 pesos. So para madali, 48 yung conversion natin. Kahit na tumaas, sabihin mo sa akin, Chris, 55 na ang dollar ngayon. Okay lang kasi 48 yung conversion ng Yoli. Nakalock in tayo dyan. Okay, so let's just use yung 48 natin. Now, another example. Chris, what if kung yung nag-order ng in-enroll ko 200, 50% ka dyan, kalahati ng 200, $100 times 48, 4,800. Pag 400, 50%, $200 ang kita mo, in pesos, 9,600. Ganun kasimple lang. Okay, and then, yung volume na yan, yung initial order nila na 100, 200, and 20% yan, magfo-float doon sa binary. Okay, kung may binary qualified ka na, halimbawa 100, yung 20% which is 20 CV will goes to the binary kung nasa right sila o nasa left sila. Okay, that's what it means. Kaya yung binary mo, napi-fill upan din ng volume yan. Just bringing people. 50% babayaran ka upfront, 20% ng volume goes to the tree. Okay? And then you get paid. We'll talk about the binary later on, but that's how the volume is shared, right? Now, this is the first order bonus, guys. Let me just play quick itong video na to.
We've made it easier than ever to get paid for sharing Yoli's incredible products. Here's how. Every product carries commissionable volume, or CV. This is a point system that commissions are calculated from. Yoli is now paying a 50% commission on CV for all initial orders. For instance, our transformation kit carries 200 points of commissionable volume. Sell 1 T-kit and you'll earn $100 cash. Sell 2 T-kits with 400 points of CV, you'll earn $200, and so on. This commission applies to initial orders on all Yoli products for all customer types. There's no minimum required and no cap on what you can earn. It's that simple. Even better, we pay commissions every week. There's never been a better time to build your Yoli business.
All right, so the first order bonus. And then guys, meron din tayong enroll to free to you rewards. So just to highlight to you guys, ang rewards, hindi siya cash. Okay, rewards lang siya kasi ito yung na-earn mo and you can use the rewards guys to buy products sa Yoli. So hindi na i-charge yung credit card mo or debit card mo. You can use your rewards. Ang maganda dito, pag bumili ka ng product using your rewards, pwede mong ibenta. Mako-convert mo pa rin siya ng cash. Okay, and then yung rewards guys, hindi mo pwedeng gamitin siya doon sa subscribe and save mo or auto ship kasi may CV yun eh. Kasi rewards is libre na to eh. So just to make sure, pwede lang siyang gamitin ng rewards to buy product, additional product na hindi naka-promo. Yung mga regular prices lang. And you can use those product, ibenta mo, kikita ka pa rin ng pera doon kasi mako-convert mo. Alright, so this is how the Enroll 2 works.
At Yoli, we want to help you earn commissions and receive free products as quickly as possible. That's why we have promotions to help you achieve success from the very first week in the business. Enroll more people using Yoli's amazing products so that you can cover the entire cost of your purchase. One of the privileges of being a Yoli member is the opportunity to earn free product with your referrals. The quickest way to earn free product is through our Enroll 2 Free to You program. Here's how it works. Enroll 2 or more customers and generate a minimum of 100 CV or commissionable volume points for each customer to qualify for this promotion. Max out at 400 CV to get up to $200 in what we call Yoli rewards, which are essentially credits that you can use to get free product. Make sure to always refer 2 customers to earn Yoli rewards and secure your free products. For any questions, contact us at 888-295-9009, email us at cs@yoli.com, or reach out to the person that shared this with you.
Okay, so yung Enroll 2 guys, yung customer, hindi siya requirement talaga. Okay? Just to make sure kasi alam ko may ibang mga company required yung customer. So dito sa Yoli hindi siya required. But every time you enroll 2 customer or 2 brand partner or combination of both, kikita ka ng $200 which is ang $200 rewards times 48 mo, nasa 9,600 pesos yan siya. So ito naman enroll to guys is every month to siya. So aantayin ng system kung naka-enroll ka ba ng 2 tao or more within the month. Tsaka ka babayaran kasi monthly siya. Kung naka-enroll ka ng 2 kaagad this week, hindi ka pa rin babayaran yan. Aantayin nyo matapos yung a month, you know, and then you get paid. Alright, so this is one of the example natin na pinakita ko sa tawag ito, yung first order bonus natin. Okay? So, marami tayong mga packages, guys, na pwede mong enroll sa Yoli. So, I'm just focusing on talking about the Omega kasi ito yung ipopromote natin. Meron tayong Vital Omega na starter pack which is 100 CV yan siya. Pag binili ng tao yan, 100 CV, first order bonus niyan is $50 times 48 is 2,400. So, maganda dyan, guys. Kung yun lang makuha mo, every customer, pag ang customer mo, binibili nila to, which is a 7,000 something na price. 4 months supply nila to, may 2,400 ka. Okay? Mas malaki itong bonus na pinag-usapan natin kanina sa iyo, Jerome. 2,400 isang customer. Kung makasampu ka niyan, 24,000. Isipin mo, guys, may 10 customer ka in a month na bumili nito na 4 months supply para sa kanila, 24,000. O di, ang ganda ng pera mo, just on customer side, yan lang. Ngayon, pag bumili sila ng kung ang in-enroll mo, nag-business, bumili ng builder pack, 8 boxes of the Vital Omega Starter Pack, ang volume niyan is 800. So 50% ka, 400 times 48 pesos, 19,200 yung kita mo. Okay, so the bigger the volume yung initial order ng tao mo, malaki yung 50% mo. 50% on a small volume, small lang yung first order bonus mo. Halimbawa, itong nag-enroll ka ng Pro Builder. Ang Pro Builder, guys, is 1,600 CV yan. Yun yung pinakamalaking package natin sa business. Pag yun ang inano mo, you can make 38,400 on just the first order ng tao mo. Okay? Again, guys, first order lang to. Okay? So, may mga plano kami, guys, na next time yung first order baka i-extend nila. But for now, yan. Yung unang order, 50% ka. Okay? So, pag nag-focus tayo dito sa starter pack, guys, ng Omega, madali kang kumita. Kahit na customer lang, kitang-kita ka na kagad kasi 50% yung bigay eh. Tapos yung 20% ng volume niyan, pupunta dun sa binary natin. Okay? Then yung subscribe and save, another way, dapat guys, kaya nga, ini-encourage ko kayo mag-subscribe kasi every time na nagkikick in yung subscription order ninyo, $1 is 1 point earn. So, halimbawa, within a month, nag-umabot ka na ng 100 points. Okay? So, 10% yan, that's equivalent to $10 Yoli rewards na pwede mong gamitin pambili ng product. Yung mga personal order mo, nag-gain ka ng rewards and you can use that one to buy product and pwede mo siyang ibenta. You know what I mean? So, ang payout niya, ito naman ang subscribe and save, ang payout niya every 3 months lang nga siya. Kasi kailangan nila ipunin mo na yung volume mo na personal mo and wala siyang CV. So, meaning, yung walang CV, guys, hindi tayo magko-commission doon sa mga rewards natin kasi malulugi na yung kumpanya kasi libre na to eh. You know? And then, yung expiration niya, at least 1 year yun para magamit mo. Okay? Now, let's talk about the customer loyalty bonus. Ito, guys, I haven't seen a network marketing company offer this one. Yung customer loyalty bonus, this is based sa repeat order ng mga direct natin na customer. Okay, so we created 3 levels of the compensation. You know, meron mga enroller, bibigyan yung nag-enroll ng customers, tapos yung nag-sponsor din, bibigyan din. Then, certain percentage of those papasok sa binary. Okay, so 3 level yan. Last example si Jerome. Chris, marami akong customer, Chris, this month. Naka-generate ako ng personal customer ko ng 500. So yung 500, guys, papasok sa level 1 yan sa Pro kasi from 0 to 999 QV. Okay? Pag lumagpas naman dun, pag umabot na ng 1,000 to 499 yung mga customer mo na personal mo, like for example, si Doc Weng kasi may clinic siya. Chris, umabot na ng 2,000 yung direct customer ko. Then doon siya papasok sa elite ngayon. Doon siya babayaran, which is 25%. Ngayon, pag sa dami ng customer mo, umabot ng 5,000. Personal nyo to guys ha, hindi to sa team ha, personal mo to. Pag umabot ng 5,000 na, may 30% ka. Okay? So, ang maganda dyan, pati yung nag-sponsor sa'yo. Like si Jerome. Oh, Jerome, na-sponsoran mo yung doktor. Ang doktor, maraming customer. Dahil ikaw yung nag-sponsor sa kanya, the company will pay you 2.5% up to 5%. Depende gaano kadami yung customer volume ng in-enroll mo. Okay, yung nag-enroll, yung doktor, kung siya yung enroller ng meron siyang 20% up to 30%. Kanyo, and then yung difference ng volume niya pupunta sa binary, 50, 60, or 70%. Alright, so ito guys, I'm telling you, malaki masyado to lalo na sa mga doktor. So, let me give you an example. Okay? So, pwede siyang gamitin sa mga providers. Providers meaning yung mga doctor, chiropractor, pwede din yung mga gym owner na marami silang mga customers, or mga influencers online. Pwede din siya. Patok na patok sa kanila to. Kasi may residual. So, let's just use yung number ng 1,000 na tao. Okay, Chris. Ito, Chris, ano to? Doktor to Chris, marami tong network sa pasyente nila, maraming pasyente. So, I have a doctor dito, guys, na in a month, nakaka 1,000 people sila. Okay, 1,000 yung pasyente nila. Ngayon, pag pinromote nila yung let's use the Vital Omega kasi ito yung focus natin. 100 volume yan or 100 CV. So meaning 1,000 kapasyente mo guys, bumili ng 100, that's 100,000 volume, correct? So mga yun, yung first order bonus, kung ikaw yung nag-sponsor ng mga customer na yun o pasyente na yan, meron kang first order bonus na 50%. Ano bang 50% ng 100,000 is $50,000. Kikita ka na ng $50,000 yan guys ha. Sa pesos yan, that's 2.4 million. Okay, let me repeat that one. 2.4 million. Magrereklamo ka ba? May 2.4 million ka? Kaya dito guys, yung mga doctors, patusok sa kanila to kasi marami na silang kliyente eh. All they need to do is introduce them to this setup natin. Na alam nila yung Omega, maganda sana. Like si Dr. Weng, sabi niya sa akin, Chris, OB-gynecologist si Dr. Weng, sabi niya sa akin, kaya excited siya ngayon kasi piniprescribe na nila tong Omega sa mga buntis kasi maganda sa bata, development ng brain, anything sa pregnancy. Sabi niya dito, kasi yon piniprescribe mo, hindi ka kumikita ng pera kasi bibili sila kung anong product. Ngayon, mayroon na tayong Omega sa Yoli, perfect na yung doktor kikita ngayon kasi meron tayong product nito. You know what I mean? So, and then they can make money also dun sa test kit. Pwede nyo ibenta yun. But that's another talk natin later on. So guys, ngayon maganda doon, may first order bonus ka, kumita ka na 2.4 million kung ikaw yung nag-sponsor sa 1,000 na tao. And then, tingnan natin ang customer loyalty bonus. Okay? Sa first order, and then nag-repeat order yung mga customer mo, direct mo, papasok na ngayon sa customer loyalty bonus. To tingnan natin yung enroller bonus kasi dalawang bonus yun eh. Enroller tsaka yung override commission bonus. So let's just use the same pa rin yung volume. 100,000. So yung 100,000 guys, kung titignan nyo, papasok ngayon yan sa 30% kasi ang 30% pag 5,000 and above na. Sobra ng 5,000 yan. So meaning yung 100,000, doon ka nababayaran sa master which is 30%. Anong 30% ng 100,000 is $30,000. O, i-multiply mo sa 48 yan sa pesos, 1.40. 1,440,000 guys as the enroller. Sa customer na to, repeat na to, binayaran ka na ng first order bonus nila. Yung nag-repeat order yung mga customer mo, halimbawa, naka-generate ka ng daming repeat order nila, 100,000, meron kang 1.4 million as enroller. Ngayon, maganda, kung ikaw, Louie, ikaw nag-sponsor dun sa doktor, may sponsor override bonus ka. Hindi mo to customer, hindi mo to pasyente ng doktor to, pero dahil ikaw nag-sponsor sa doktor, may override bonus ka na ibibigay ng company, papasok ka ngayon sa 5%. Kasi 100,000, di ba? Dito, max out na 5,000 yan eh. Pag 5,000, ikaw na nag-sponsor, may 5% ka. So meaning, may 5% ka doon sa 100,000, which is $5,000. Sa peso yan guys, 240,000. Ang laki guys, I'm telling you, pag na-pick up niya tong compensation plan ng Yoli, dito pa lang, sabaw pa lang, busog ka na. You know what I mean? So ang ganda ng comp plan nito, no? I can see this one, especially pag may mga access kayo sa mga doctor like si Dr. Weng, ang iniisip niya ngayon yung mga OB-gynecologists kasi nagpi-prescribe na sila dito, nagdi-dispense sila ng product. Imagine this one guys, the kind of money they're gonna make on this one. Okay? Then, idol, training pa ko, okay? Alright, so anyway, so guys, naintindihan niyo to? Dito pa lang guys, sa customer lang to ha. This is not applicable sa mga ini-sponsoran na brand partner. This is for customers. So perfect sa mga doktor, yung mga gym owner o yung mga spa na marami silang clientele. This is perfect for them. Or sa mga influencers online. Influencer kasi ang maganda sa dito guys, sa mga influencer, one time lang silang babayaran endorsement. Dito, repeat order. Mag-iisip ngayon yung influencer online, oh, pag pumasok ako niyang Chris, ibig sabihin, lahat ng mga in-endorse ko, pag bumili ulit, meron akong loyalty bonus. Exactly. And then, ang maganda dito, yung doktor, isipin na ng doktor, what if, Chris, yung mga kaibigan kong doktor, i-sponsoran ko, so meaning, ako ngayon, meron akong sponsor override bonus doon sa mga pasyente ng doktor na ini-sponsor ko. Exactly. So, pwede sila mag-build ng team. Kasi kikita sila sa override bonus kahit na hindi na sila ang enroller. Okay? So, ngayon, let's dive in it, ano natin. Oh, Chris, let's just use 100 kasi yung 1,000 malaki masyado ito. Okay, 100 lang. Let's example, tingnan natin kung mababa lang yung pasyente mo or ilang 100 lang yung tao mo. So malaki pa rin guys. No? Sa 100 people kasi ito yung very practical ngayon. 100 people, mga gym owner, spa or even yung maliliit na clinic na doktor, sila yung decision making. That's still 10,000 volume guys. No, 50% sa first order ng 10,000 is 5,000. Meron kang 240,000 pa rin. As an enroller, ngayon ang customer loyalty bonus mo, that's 144,000 using the same volume 10,000. And then yung sponsor override bonus mo, meron kang 24,000. Yan. Kita niyo guys, 100 people lang to. Ganun kagalante yung compensation plan ng Yoli. Right? So kahit na hindi ka mag-build ng team, dito ka lang sa customer mo, busog ka na. Kasi majority sa mga doktor, walang time mag-build ng network yan eh. Pero itong pasok na pasok sa kanila o yung mga influencers, na ayaw ng multi-level, they can still make good money. Parang parang affiliate program ng Yoli to. Okay? Sa mga repeat order ng mga customer mo. Again, yung customer loyalty bonus is based on the repeat order. Yung first order bonus kasi babayaran ka na doon eh. Sa mga repeat order mo. Alright? Sa enroller, tsaka sa sponsor override bonus. Hopefully guys, na-pick up nyo to kasi ito yung isa sa maganda na mag-build up natin yung customer natin. Let's talk about the quarterly performance bonus naman. Binago namin tong quarterly, ginawa namin tong monthly. Pero ginawa namin top 15 instead na 10 lang. So malakas ang Amazon dito sa North America guys. Kumbaga parang sa inyo siguro parang Shopee yan siya pero alam ko maliit lang yung Shopee. So dito, lahat tayo pwedeng mag-participate kung ano yung kinita ng Yoli sa Amazon kasi they have a presence in Amazon. Magse-set aside sila ng certain percentage of income dyan tapos paghahatian ng mga top 15. So yung average na kikitain mo kung sa number 15 ka, mga 48,000. So let me play this quick video na will explain about the bonus. Pero ang binago sa video guys, from top 10, ginawa naming 15. Monthly na ngayon. Okay?
Introducing the new monthly performance bonus. We've reinvented the way we reward our top performing members each month. In this video, we'll explain how. With the rise in popularity of Amazon, Yoli took steps to protect our brand and help your business. We created one official Yoli Amazon store and eliminated unauthorized sales of our products on Amazon. This has created 3 exciting benefits for you. Number 1, we highlight Yoli's products and continue to build brand recognition on Amazon. Number 2, we price all products on Amazon at full retail while giving you and your members access to special wholesale pricing. And number 3, being on Amazon has created another revenue stream that we get to share with you. We recognize that one of the reasons Yoli products sell on Amazon is because of the incredible word of mouth and brand awareness you, our members, have created. It was a logical decision to take these profits and share them with our top performing Yoli members. Here is how to qualify for the new monthly performance bonus. Each bonus period will total up all orders from your new personally sponsored customers, subscribers, and members who enrolled during the period. The sales from each order of your new enrollees during the bonus period will be counted and totaled. We'll create a top 10 list based on these totals. The monthly performance bonus, funded by Amazon sales, will be distributed to these top 10 earners, with the top earner receiving the largest portion, the number 2 earner receiving the second largest portion, and so on. Please note that the sales from market-specific promotions, sponsorship changes, and other unconventional sales will not count toward the promotion. This bonus will be paid monthly, approximately 2 weeks after the bonus period ends. We are excited to reward you with this new Yoli monthly performance bonus program. If you have any further questions, reach out to the person who introduced you to Yoli or contact us at 888-295-9009 or email us at cs@yoli.com.
Alright, so yun yung monthly performance bonus natin. So anyway, Doc Weng, okay lang ba sa'yo, Dr. Rowena, if you can share a little bit about yung sa monthly performance? Di ba, ilang beses ka na kumita dito, Doc? Sa monthly performance bonus.
Hello. Monthly performance. Siguro I had 4 months na.
Naka 4 months ka dito. Ano yung
Yeah.
pinakamalaking kinita mo sa monthly performance bonus?
Yung October, when I run for platinum rank. Yun
Magkano
ang
yung kinita mo
pinakamalaki
doon?
ko. 95,000.
Wow, 95,000 guys. Amazon.
Yeah. And when I joined Yoli in May last year, June, nag-number 1 ako. I got 78,000 pesos for
See?
my first month in Yoli.
See? So doktor ka, Doc, malaki yung income ng doktor. Okay ba ang Yoli na extra sideline?
Eh, syempre extra yun eh. Laway lang katapat nun eh. Yung pagdodoktor ng OB, nag-o-opera ka pa nun. Nagbabantay ka pa ng buntis ilang oras. Eh, ito, dumaldal ka lang ng konti, may 78,000 ka na.
So thank you, Doc. So yeah, guys, you can participate. Maliban pa yun sa mga first order bonus. Ganun kagalante ang Yoli, guys. Lahat tayo pwede mag-participate. Pilipinas, US, and Canada. And you can re-entry every month. Paramihan ng personal order to. I mean, personal direct na in-sponsoran mo. Pero ang technique dito, guys, brand partner. Kasi pag in-enroll mo brand partner, double yung points mo. Okay? Pag customer, walang double points yun. You still get a customer volume sa monthly performance mo. Mag-a-add pa rin doon yung volume. Pero pag brand partner, double yung points times 2. Halimbawa, bumili ng 800. Pag brand partner, 1,600 points yon. So kaya lamang na lamang yung pag brand partner yung tinira mo dito. So ito isang example yung brother-in-law ko walang kalam-alam sa networking nung last May, number 1 siya, $3,000 yan. Dollars Pag minultiply mo yung 3,000 times 48 mo, 144,000. Ano sabi ni Doc sa kanya? 98,000 guys, kumita siya sa monthly performance lang yon outside of the comp plan. Yung number 15 dito, kumita ng $900. $908 times 48. That's already 43,000, you know? How much more na tayo, guys? Maganda sa inyo, lalo na pag nag-uumpisa kayo, guys, fresh na fresh pa yung network nyo. Pag binanatan nyo to, like si Jay Mendador, si Jay, siya yung pinakauna na nanalo nito kasi we implemented this one last year lang inumpisahan namin to. If I'm not mistaken, nag-umpisa to Jay no ng March, di ba, 3 months, dominated ni Jay yan. Kada buwan, siya yung nagna-number 1 sa Yoli noon. Si Jay Mendador. Kasi bago pa yung network niya. Di ba? So Jay, ilan yung naano mo, Jay, ang pinakamalaking income mo sa monthly performance bonus ng Amazon? Yung una.
Actually, parang ano yun, $2,800.
$2,800. So,
Yep.
So 2,800 times 48. 134,000, right? Sa pesos. So ilang buwan 'yun, 'di ba? Sunod-sunod ka, 3 months kaya nung sunod-sunod?
I think 2 months. 2 months.
2 months? Yeah. See? It's good, guys. So isa to na I've been to this profession ng network marketing, guys, for 20 years. Walang ganitong klaseng bonus. Magtanong kayo sa iba, wala kayong makikita na namimigay ng income galing sa Amazon. Yoli lang may ganyan. Okay? So, itong retail naman, guys, bonus, this is only applicable sa US and Canada. Kayo sa Pilipinas, hindi to applicable siya kasi wholesale, wala tayong retail license sa Pilipinas. But, here's the thing. Pag may tao kayong in-sponsoran sa US and Canada, kahit nasa Pilipinas kayo, babayaran kayo ng retail. Okay? So, yung pinaka-basic niya, guys, kung ano yung diferensya ng retail price saka wholesale, babayaran ka ng company. Last example, bumili sila ng transformation kit. Ang retail price yan dito sa US is $399.97, which is 200 CV yan. Ang wholesale niya is $299. Ang diferensya niya, guys, is $100. So, $100 plus 4,800 retail bonus. Pag mayroon kang customer sa US and Canada, sabihin sa iyo, Louis, Di bali, ayaw ko mag-subscribe and save. Ayaw ko nang charge ako every month. Bayad lang ako ng one-time retail. Di bali, mahal. I-enroll mo siya. Pag in-enroll mo siya, binayaran ka. Babayaran ka na ng first order bonus sa 200, di ba? 200 yun, may first order bonus ka. May $100 ka na sa first order bonus niya kasi 200 yung CV niyan. Babayaran ka pa ng $100 sa retail price mo. So, dyan pa lang guys, tiba-tiba ka na, $200 yung kikitain mo right there sa first order plus retail. Okay? So, pag 200 yan times 48, meron ka ng 9,600 kaagad dyan. Both. First order saka sa retail. Okay? So, anyway, then meron din tayong first rank advancement. Maganda to sa mga bago na hindi pa kayo nag-advance ng rank. The moment na mag-advance kayo ng rank ng star, the company will pay you $100. Or ano yung $100? That's 2,400. You know, yung silver guys, that's 200 times 48. That's 9,600 pag nag-silver kayo. Or pag nag-gold kayo, bibigyan kayo ng 14,400. First time yung mag-rank. You know? Kaya madali lang siya guys. Kung titignan ninyo, paano ba mag-star Chris? May 400 volume ka lang sa weak leg mo. Kasi binary tayo. Or, pinaka-simple explanation, pag may $400, may 400 volume ka sa left team mo at sa right team mo, you know, may $100 ka. Basta't meron kang active na tao na inisponsoran, isa sa left mo, isang tao sa right mo, at may 400 na volume doon, star ka na. Pag nag-silver ka, active pa rin, may isang tao kang active sa left, sa right, kaya 2 active lines, isa sa left, isa sa right, na direct mo, at may 800 volume yung left and right, magiging silver ka, babayaran ka ng $200 or 9,600. Okay? And then pag gold mo, 1,600 na siya, 300. So maganda dito guys, kung diretso kayo sa gold ngayon, pag sinabi mo, Chris, what if Chris, ngayong linggo na to, dumiretso ako, nag-gold ka agad ako, 1,600 yung volume ko sa left and right. Magkano kikitain ko? 300 lang ba? No. 600 yung kita mo guys, kasi babayaran ka pa rin ng company doon sa rank na star na nilagpasan mo saka sa silver. So total guys, $600. Kaya sabi ko kay Louie, ang style namin nila Jay, hindi kami star. Tira kagad kami sa gold. Kung pwede kang dumiretso, ba't mo naman patatagalin? Kunin mo nang kagad yung gold kung kaya mong kunin yan in 1 week, di ba? So ganyan ano, dito yung structure natin in terms of pesos guys, this is how much you're gonna make. 100, ba't naging 4,000 yan? 100 times 4,800. Mali yata yung calculation natin dito, 4,800. But anyway, that's 4,800 yan, hindi 44 kasi $48 silver. So this is how much you can earn guys. Pag ginawa nyo, this is the structure ninyo pag silver ka, left leg, right leg, ganyan. So just giving you a visual para makita nyo yung organizational structure niya, paano kayo mag-star, paano kayo mag-silver at by gold. Basta umabot kayo ng 400 sa left and right, star ka na. Pag silver, 800 naman yung left and right. Pag gold ka, 1,600. Okay? Then sa binary team commission, okay, dapat mayroon kang direct na sponsor na left, saka right, and then you can earn binary team commission. So, ang binary team commission guys, ang maximum natin in terms sa weak leg mo is 250,000 volume. So, alam ko masyadong malulula kayo nito. No? This is on the big scale na pag malaki na yung organization mo, umaabot ka na ng 250,000 volume sa left, 250,000 volume sa right, and then the company will pay you 10% doon sa lesser leg. No? Or sa weak, ayaw kong sabihin weak leg kasi ang pangit pakinggan ng weak leg, mahina yung leg na yan. Yung lesser leg na may volume, doon ka babayaran ng 10%. Okay? So, this is a good example sa binary team. Okay? Halimbawa, yung left leg mo, ang group volume mo is 2,000. May tao ka doon, si Justin, nagsanga-sanga na yung group organization, may 2,000 group volume ka. And then yung sa right leg mo, halimbawa si Jake, you know, nagsanga-sanga na sila, may 3,200 group volume ka. Ngayon, i-identify ng system yan within Saturday, before matapos yung cut-off ng Saturday, titignan, binary ka. Ano yung lesser na volume mo, nasa left, nasa right. So this one, nasa left, 2,000 is lesser than 3,200. So babayaran ka ng 10%, so may $200 ka. Which is yung $200 mo guys, sa peso yan, times 48, that's 9,600 yung kita mo sa binary team commission mo on that week. So ngayon, ima-minus ngayon yung system yung 2,000 kasi binayaran ka na yan, meron kang carry over na 1,200. Pag lagpas ng Sabado ng hapon, guys, may 1,200 ka sa right, yung left mo, zero na kasi binayaran ka nun. Then, mag-umpisa na naman yan. May mga tao na naman papasok ng customer member, and then pagdating ng Sabado naman, titignan naman ng system, ano yung weak leg mo, left or right, 10% again doon sa lesser leg mo. Okay, so, ang max out nito, guys, is 250,000. Halimbawa, Chris, for how many years na ngayon, tumaas na yung organization ko, may 250,000 na yung lesser leg ko, so may 10% ka dyan. That's 25,000, guys. Okay? 25,000 pesos, that's 1.2 million per week. Sa binary pa lang yan. I'll be honest with you, wala pa sa Yoli na max out yung binary nila. Wala pa. So maybe kayo yung makakahataw dyan. So, sa binary lang guys, 1.2 million a week ha. Isipin mo yan. Pag na-max out yan, this is a shared team volume yan. Maybe it take us for how many years to get this one, but ang ganda ng residual mo. No, if that happen guys, sarap na ng buhay natin yan. Hindi na magre-reklamo tayo dyan. No. Okay, so that's the binary team commission natin. Alright. So let's look into yung leadership lifestyle bonus. Meron din tayong lifestyle bonus sa mga nagli-lead na team. Binabayaran tayo niyan, kino-compensate tayo ng company. So this is how it works. So pag platinum ka na, meron kang $500 per month. Pag na-maintain mo yung rango na platinum, and then pag nag-ruby ka na, meron kang 1,000. Like on my point, o sa akin situation guys, nakukuha ko to every month. Monthly ang bayad nito. May $1,000 ako sa company or 48,000 pesos every month na binibigay ng company sa akin kasi hindi ako bumababa sa ruby na rank. Okay? So ngayon, paano ka ba mag-platinum? Sabi mo, Chris, gusto ko yung $500. Paano ako ma-hit ng platinum? Yung personal volume mo, kasama yung customer mo, dapat 100 within that week kasi weekly on that week. And yung group volume mo, sa pay leg mo, your lesser leg mo is 2,000. Kung may volume ka na 2,000 sa left mo, 2,000 sa right, pwede ka ng platinum as long as may isang tao ka na mag-star. Tulungan mo yung tao mo mag-star. I will explain about paano yung star. Yung star, guys, sponsoran mo yung tao mo, tulungan mo siya magkaroon ng left, magkaroon ng right, at may 400 volume yung left and right ng tao mo, magiging star siya. Then, pag may 2,000 group volume ka, magiging platinum ka. Okay? Tapos, dapat yung personal enrollment, 3 leg mo na volume is 4,000. As a group, hindi kasama yung spillover. Sa organization mo lang, yung direct organization mo, may 4,000 volume ka that week. And then, if you do it 3 out of 4 weeks, kasi sa isang buwan, guys, there are 4 weeks. Halimbawa, nag-platinum ako with a star this week, and the third week, guys, hindi ako nag-platinum. Pero yung fourth week, Chris, naging platinum ako with a star and 4,000 volume. Pasok ka pa rin doon. Basta 3 out of 4. May $500 ka. So, if you maintain the one every month, meron kang 500. Ngayon, ang maganda, if you push yourself na mag-ruby ka, konti lang yung diferensya ng pay leg volume ng ruby saka ng platinum is 1,000 lang. Pero yung personal volume mo, dapat naka 200 ka na doon. Okay? Pag na-hit mo na yung 200, 3,000 mo, may dalawa kang stars. I think yung platinum dito is 200 volume, if I'm not mistaken. Tingnan natin ulit. I think 200 yung personal volume. Pero dito sa Ruby, guys, dalawa na yung stars mo. At kung may 6,000 group volume ka sa organization and you do it 3 out of 4 weeks, meron kang 1,000. Isipin mo yan, guys. Pag nandyan na kayo na level, automatic may 48,000 kayong pumapasok every month. Pag nag-Ruby na kayo. So, ang maganda sa Yoli, guys, binibigay nila itong mga bonus na to sa baba ng ranking. We're not talking about diamond dito. Meron ka ng mga extra bonuses. Okay? So, ito yung comp plan natin, guys. And you can screenshot this one kung wala kayo. This is makikita nyo yung ranking dito. So, saan ba yung platinum? Oh, tama pala. Platinum is 100 lang. So, ito yung requirements, guys, in terms of paano mo ma-hit yung rank, ilan yung star. So, ang labanan dito, guys, is magtulungan mo yung tao mag-star. Kasi pag nag-star yung tao mo, pag nanggagaling yung volume mo sa grupo mo, through helping your team become a stars, ang ganda na structure mo. Okay? Sa Diamond, like sa Diamond, dapat may 4 ka na stars. So meaning you need to sponsor 4 people direct sa'yo. So out of those 4 lines mo, may isa sa mga line na yan na may mag-star. Kung gusto mo mag-triple diamond ka, dapat 6 yung lines mo na direct mo. Kaya the more lines you build, kasi hindi naman yan mag-build flat, the better your chances na go up doon sa ranking. Okay? So ito yung one-page line natin guys na halos ng overview ng Complan nandiyan dyan niya. Ano, yung first order bonus, yung lifestyle bonus, sinama ko na dito, just an overview. Okay? So I will not go into the direct sa mga malalaking ranking, baka iikot yung ulo nyo, but this is how you're gonna look at it, especially sa mga big leaders. If you are interested of looking into deep science nito, then we can talk about it. So basic lang muna tayo para hindi malito yung mga tao. So kung ako guys, ang goal ko kagad ngayon, tulungan ko kayo maging gold. Kasi madali lang i-hit yung gold eh. Wala pa yung tutulungan mo na mag-stars. This is just volume ng left and right mo. Pag nagawa mo yun guys, pag nag-1600 yung volume ng left and right mo, may 28,800 ka na bonus kaagad. Sa ranking pa lang yan. Okay, so ang tanong ko sa iyo, gusto mo bang kumita ng $100 na bonus? 200, 300, o gusto mo ng $600 o 28,800? Of course, diretso na tayo sa gold. Kaya ang goal mo, tulungan mo yung tao mo or ikaw mismo mag-hit ka kagad ng gold para may 28,800 ka na bonus kagad. Di ba? Ba't mo patatagalin yan? No? Pare-pareho lang naman ang pagod yan eh. Isang pagod lang. Di ba? Diretso na natin yung gold. Ngayon, is a little bit challenging pagdating sa platinum kasi may tutulungan ka na mag-star. Sa rank na star, silver, and gold, wala pang duplication dito. Ikaw pa lang personal effort mo. Pwede sa team mo, kahit na hindi sila mag-star, pasok ka sa gold. Okay? So, ito yung pinaka-building block, guys. The best analogy na ibigay ko sa inyo, ang compensation plan ng Yoli, para siyang pader na gawa ng hollow blocks or bricks dito. Pag pinatong-patong mo yan, aakyat ka dun sa compensation plan. So, pinaka-hollow blocks ng Yoli, yung bricks namin, is yung star. Okay? This is the magic. I want you to understand this one fully. Pag matuto kang maging star at tulungan mo yung mga tao maging star every week, guys, aakyat ka sa pinakataas na level ng Yoli. To simplify the compensation plan, all you need to do is master how to be creator of stars sa organization mo. Okay? Patong-patong mo yan. Ito, Chris, tulungan ko mag-star, tulungan ko mag-star. Aakyat tayo lahat yan. Okay, so tanong, Chris, paano ba yung star? Ikaw yan, mag-sponsor ka ng isang brand partner sa left mo na may 400 qualifying volume at isa sa right mo qualifying volume, star ka na. Yan lang i-duplicate mo. O Chris, yun meaning kung si Jerome yung nasa left ko, Chris, tulungan ko lang mag-star si Jerome. Exactly. So si Jerome dapat may left and right na mag 400 yung volume left and right, star na si Jerome. O kung si Louie yung sa kabila, o si Louie tutulungan ko mag-star, meron din siyang left and right na 400, boom, star. Pag yan ang ginawa natin guys, akyat tayo lahat sa compensation plan. Ganun lang kasimple. Okay? Pero pag nag-gold kayo, nag 1,600 yung left and right mo, gold ka na, hindi ka na star. Ang attitude ko, ba't ako magsisettle sa star kung kaya ko naman mag-gold kaagad? Kaya malaki yung bonus dun eh. Di ba? But ito yung pinaka-key natin, building block ng Complan natin, how to hit a star rank. Okay? So ngayon, dahil nasa tayo guys, nasa pre-launch tayo dito, ito yung suggestion ko sa mga brand partners natin. So marami tayong maliliit na package sa Yoli guys, pero tsaka na natin i-introduce yon pag nag-officially launch na tayo sa September. What we're doing right now sa pre-launch, hinahanap muna natin yung mga leaders na seryoso. Kasi gusto ko makakreate kayo ng story ninyo dyan sa Pilipinas na you will be the first leaders na nag-hit ng diamond on the pre-launch. Yun yung purpose natin dito. But we have plenty of small packages later na pag September, pag officially launch na tayo. So ngayon, ang focus lang natin dito is yung builder pack. You know, may 8 boxes ka na na starter kit. Meron kang 10 test kits. So if you look at it, guys, ang volume yan is 800. Okay, 800. Yung star is 400. Lagpas ka ngayon ng star pag 800 yung nilagay ng tao mo sa left sa right mo, magiging silver ka kaagad. Pag pro builder, guys, you know, 16 starter packs siya with 20 test kit. Pero ang volume yan, guys, is 1,600. So isipin nyo, guys, kung ang tao in-enroll nyo, pumasok kaagad ng pro builder. Diba, Jerome, Chris, merong seryosong pumasok sa team ko. Bumili ng pro builder sa left. Yung isa nag pro builder 1,600. Di gold ka kaagad. 2 tao lang. Diba? Isipin nyo, kung sabi mo, Chris, meron mga 50 volume ang 50 volume yung enroll ko dito, aabutin ka ng siyam-siyam. Kung 50 volume lang ang i-ano ng tao, isipin mo, 1,600 para mag-gold. Divided by 50 mo, kung 50 yung i-enroll mo. 32 katao guys, sa left, 32 katao, para lang mag 1,600 volume ka sa gold. Kahirap mo i-build ng team mo niyan. Wala silang product kasi 50 lang yung in-order nila. Nakuha nyo? You know, to you to create an organization na just 1,600 volume lang, kung 50 yung ipopromote mo, Chris, mababang volume lang, 50, dalawang product. I'm telling you guys, magkikwit yung tao ninyo. Hindi nila maranasan yung malaking income. Kahirap kumuha ng 32 na tao just to create 1,600 volume. Kasi 1,600 yan para mag-gold ka lang. Divide mo ng 50. Oh, 32 katao sa left mo, 32 katao mo sa right mo. Sino makaka-sponsor ng 32 people? You know? Kaya, hirap na hirap yung tao mag-rank advance. Ngayon, kung seryoso sila, dalawang tao lang guys. Isang mag-pro builder sa left, isang pro builder, boom. Gold ka kaagad. Ngayon, ang tanong ko sa inyo, anong mas madali? Dalawang tao o 32 na tao po ninyo? Di ba mas madali yung dalawa lang? Less yung headache mo, tapos seryoso yung tao mo kasi meron silang produkto. Okay, so yun yung ano natin sa pre-launch natin. Mag-deposit lang sila. The reason why guys, magbayad kayo ng membership para mag-appear kayo sa 3 kahit na walang volume pa, nandoon na kayo sa 3, then meron tayong 10 test kit or 20 test kit na pwede na tayong mag-test ng 10 people. Pagdating ng trigger pooling natin sa September, doon na papasok kaagad yung volume kasi sabay-sabay na ilalagay within 1 week. Kaya may hit mo kaagad yung mga ranking, mabilis. You know, kasi naipon yung volume. Alright? So, yan lang. Mag-focus lang tayo sa Vital 10 and 10. Just test 10 people and meron kang 300 rewards. So, ito naman, Unilevel. Chris, ano yung Unilevel? Yung mga Unilevel, pag na-hit mo niya yung rank na Emerald, pag naging Emerald ka, like si Jay, nag-Emerald si Jay o nag-Diamond, you can have a check match bonus sa mga tao mo na nagkumita sa binary. So, ito yung Unilevel natin, leadership matching bonus. Dapat Emerald ka. Pag nag-hit mo na yung rank na Emerald, meron kang 30% sa lahat ng level 1 mo. Level 1 meaning yung mga direct mo, 30%. Yung level 2 mo, yung second mo na in-introduce, yung mga in-sponsoran ng mga first level mo, may 20% ka. Level 3, may 15% ka, 10%, 10%, up to sa 7th level, may 5% ka. Oh, guys, ang ganda niyan. Weekly din to nagbabayad ang Yoli dito. This is paid weekly. Pag nag-diamond na kayo, katulad ni Jay, nag-hit siya ng diamond, pag na-maintain niya yung diamond niya every week, ito yung kikitain mo. Yung hanggang level 8 ka, babayaran ka. 7 and 8 is 5%. Pero yung first level mo, 30, 20, 15, 10, 10, 10. 5%. Ganda. Double diamond, you pick up another level hanggang level 9. Pag triple diamond, level 10. Like sa akin guys, nilagpasan ko na yung triple diamond. Hakup ko lahat to. Ang maganda dito, may dynamic compression. Kabit mo, sabihin mo, Chris, paano yan Chris? Yung tao ko na sa level 10, level 20 ko na, hindi ako babayaran ng Yoli kasi 10 lang. No, may dynamic compression tayo. Kung walang nag-qualify doon, maghahanap yung sistema para mabayaran up to level 10. Kahit na, meron akong ano guys, mga example na nasa 15 level, minsan 35 level deep ko na, walang nag-qualify doon ng mga diamond, nababayaran pa rin ako sa dynamic compression. So yung maganda doon, tulungan mo lang yung mga tao mo. Okay, so naka-program na yan. That's what it is Unilevel. And then this one is paid weekly. And then meron tayong mga luxury vacation trip like for example, this one. Next month, meron kaming Alaskan cruise. And then the next one, meron tayong Emerald Escape, you know, na ano natin, incentive trip na you can earn it for free. Meron siyang for general public, lahat, pwede customer pumunta. Then meron ding leadership, exclusive lang sa mga leadership. You know, so I've been all over the world guys dahil lang sa mga incentive trip na to na nung hindi ako involved sa Yoli, I never dream na makapunta ako sa mga lugar na yan. Yeah. Sometimes makapunta ka pero yung with your own dime, pero ngayon makukuha mo siya ng libre. Mas maganda yung libre, di ba? Alright, and then meron tayong quarterly bonus guys pag na-hit mo na yung diamond. Kasi in a quarter guys, there are 13 weeks. You know, if you hit it, binago namin tong compensation na to guys. As long as you hit 2 consecutive weeks within a quarter as a diamond or blue, meron ka ng share sa company. The more weeks you qualify, the more share ibibigay ng company sa'yo. So this one, hindi na siya 10 weeks out of 13, mas ano siya, basta meron ka lang 2, consecutive weeks. Okay? 2 consecutive weeks mo. Pero kan 2 consecutive weeks mo out of 13, then halimbawa, this week, naging diamond ako, like, okay, si Jay nag-diamond ngayon. Then the following week, diamond si Jay. Kasama na siya sa share. Pero every week na mag-qualify siya ng diamond ulit, meron siya lalaki yung share niya. But at least 2 consecutive weeks ang beginning mo para ma-paid ka dito. Okay? And then after the 1, 3rd week, 4th week, the more weeks you qualify, mas malaki yung profit share mo sa company. Okay? Pero in-split natin yan. Iba yung full bonus ng diamond, iba yung sa blue, iba yung sa black para hindi tayo magkahalabo-labo. So may part pa rin yung mga diamond na makakuha ng part nila. Kasi minsan kasi pag pinagsama-sama mo to, of course, lugi yung mga diamond kasi yung mga blue diamonds, malaking sharing nila dapat doon. Pero ginawa ng company, ni-split nila yung tatlo para mabigyan ng share yung iba. Okay? And then pag nagdating naman guys, pag na-max out nyo na yung tawag ito yung binary nyo, you can create another leg sa taas. Babayaran pa rin kayo doon sa dating power binary nyo, and then you can create another business center. If you hit it, pag nagwa 1.2 million weekly na kayo na-check. But tulad ng sabi ko, wala pang ganyan sa Yoli na na-reach yan. Okay? So, yeah, ang strategy lang natin ngayon guys, dahil sa pre-launch, builder pack lang muna tayo. Mag-deposit lang yung mga tao, meron kang left and right, automatically guys, magiging silver kayo. Na yun lang yung structuring natin ngayon sa pre-launch natin. And then, later, we can introduce the other packages and madali na tayo mag-duplicate. Alright? So, let me just stop sharing my screen and maybe ask some questions. Okay? So, stop ko na muna tong recording and then we can do this.